Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Hope School. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take English literature class for class 3. Today we are going to do unseen comprehension 2. You did unseen comprehension number 1 in the previous class, and today we are going to do unseen comprehension 2, and we will also practice fill in the blanks and question answer from this comprehension. So let's read. On a sunny day, a young lamb was grazing at the foot of a small hill. At that time, he felt thirsty. So he began to look around in order to find water. Then it found a little stream coming down from the top of the hill. It walked there to drink water. A wolf lived in the bush near the hill. He came out of the bush and saw the lamb. He thought, "What a healthy lamb it is. It would taste very good. So I shall make a good meal of it." So the wolf planned to eat the lamb. The wicked wolf went to the lamb. He said to it angrily, "Why do you make the water dirty? Don't you know that I do not drink muddy water?" "No, sir," replied the lamb. "The water flows past you before it comes to me. I am standing down the stream." So the lamb is standing down the stream, but the wolf is searching for an excuse to eat the lamb. It began to tremble in fear. So the lamb is trembling in fear, scared of the wolf. As the wolf was very wicked, it was not difficult for him to find out a reason to kill it. Okay, dear students, this was the story. The lamb wanted to drink water, but the wolf was very wicked, so it looked for an excuse to kill it. Let's look at the fill in the blanks. Number A, fill in the blanks. You can see words are given in boxes, and using these words you have to fill up the blanks. Number 1, the wolf was very, correct answer is wicked. We will take wicked from this box and fill the blank with this word. The wolf was very wicked. Number 2, a wolf lived in the bush near the hill. The correct answer is bush. See, the word is given in the box. We are using this word. Number 3, the lamb walked there to drink water. Again, see, the word drink is given in the box. We have to use it correctly. Next one, the lamb began to tremble. Lamb is underlined, so the blank is here. You will take it from the box and fill in the blank. Number 5, the lamb was standing down the stream. Here, down is underlined. This word is also given in the box. Let's look at the question answer now. Exercise B, answer the following questions. Question number 1, who was very healthy? Answer, the lamb was very healthy. Number 2, how was the wolf? Answer, the wolf was very wicked. Question number 3, what was the lamb doing at the foot of the hill? Answer, the lamb was grazing at the foot of the hill. Number 4, why did the lamb walk to the stream? Answer, the lamb walked to the stream to drink water. Number 5, where did the wolf live? Answer, the wolf lived in the bush of the hill. Okay, dear students, this was unseen comprehension 2 for today's class. In the next class, we will practice another topic. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.